This stone blue metallic 2015 GMC Sierra SLT 2500 crew cab has a good reliability rating, a luxurious interior and a smooth ride. Fully loaded with power windows, tinted glass, front bucket seats, keyless entry, power door locks, airbags, remote start, rear bumper corner steps, climate control, power folding vertical camper mirrors with chrome caps, chrome door handles, IntelliLink with navigation, power adjustable pedals, trailer brake controller, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering column, easy lift and lower tailgate, 18-inch chrome aluminum wheels, fog lamps, CD player, Sirius XM satellite radio, OnStar, LED cargo box lighting, rear vision camera, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, HD trailering equipment, heated and cooled front seats, along with its 6.0-liter V8 engine makes this the right heavy-duty truck for you. Come down to Fort Macleod, Alberta and test drive this great-looking Sierra for yourself. We invite you to Skoggle Motors in Fort Macleod, where it's tradition you can trust. We are located at 869 12th Street, 90 minutes south from Calgary and 30 minutes west of Lethbridge. Book a test drive with us today by contacting us at 403-553-3311.